In 1985, Seikaku was founded in Taiwan, and in 1990 set a branch factory in Dongguan, China, where it covers an area of 120,000 square meters. The core value of Seikaku Group is quality is life, time is money. In main production in Seikaku Group: 1. Professional stage audio. 2. Public address system. 3. Digital audio transmission technology. 4. Digital mixer. 5. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, UHF and UVF, wireless audio transmission, communication system. 6. Fire alarm system. 7. Digital conference system, matrix system. Seikaku Group is professional manufacturer of OEM, ODM, and owned and self-branch, which is show TOPP PRO. There are innovative technologies and equipments at our R&D technology center, both on software program designing and hardware industry design, acoustic sound field simulation and noise-free room for noise frequency test, 3D printer, sound clipper, manufacturing department, advanced SMT production line, automatic CNC equipment in metal material, carting machine more than punching machine, more than batting machine, more than carving machine, automatic CNC equipment in wood material, automatic printing equipment, liquid automatic printing equipment, recycled, powder automatic printing equipment, recycled, assembly line of amplifier products, assembly line of Pro audio speaker, assembly line of fireproof speaker, assembly line of RF microphone system, inspection line of QC terminal. Seikaku Group carries itself responsibility and moral of society, no matter green materials using a rural emergency rescue, establishment of schools, donations, aids are all creating sustainable corporate value. Seikaku Group is a global SEAL team and participating in major exhibitions around the world every year, such as ISE Show, FMM Show, Guangzhou Exhibition, Infocom Show. For more details, please find our web www.seikaku.hk.